I'm going to do is try to get this chat to display differently. I want to see if I can get this background to remove so that when I'm streaming it, the background's also not there. Let's see if we can do that. We should have to figure out where this background color is coming from. It's not here potentially. It's probably one of these. Maybe even on the body. Nope. If we look over here, we see the color in this area. Right? We know where it's coming from. Coming from here. Looks like this is definitely it. How can we remove this? Yeah, let's just change it. Yeah, okay, that fixes it. So that's one piece. I gotta find out what this class is. There's a bunch of stuff here. And I'm trying to put it back in there. It looks like you can give it custom CSS. But the reason I have this open is so I can store that CSS somewhere. Right now, this is what they're giving me. And it's changing the body background, but obviously it's not what we need to change here. We need to grab something out of this. I'm wondering if that's probably good enough right there. Just like that. And I think that fixes a lot of the issues we were having. I wonder if there's anything else I specifically need to change. Like maybe this blue background here is not going to look good. Maybe I want to change the text color for the chat. Let's try a test message. If I just send that on Twitch, it's the same. They're always this dark blue color. I don't want that either. I think it'd be nice to have it be different. Maybe a gray color. It had to be something that appears on my videos. You want to be able to read the chat messages, but I don't want them to take up the whole screen. Usually what you do is you put the text behind, but if there's a background color, it's going to make it easier to read. Maybe if I can RGBA, I could do like 120 and 0.5. This is on white, but I'm wondering if that will make it easier to read. What we need to do is we need to figure out, okay, this is a message item. And does it care about any kind of specificity? It looks like it does, but we just need to change it. That's all. And I don't necessarily want it on the default theme. I want it for all of them, just in case. I think this is enough right here. If I copy paste this in, and I save it, and I go to get this chat to display on the stream. See, it looks like Restream. Yeah, we're here. I should be able to get what we want to show up. Where is it? Okay. I think I need to tell it to refresh. Refresh when it's, yeah, that's what we want. Yeah. Maybe refresh isn't what we want. But it seems to be working now. It was not working before. And then where do I want it? Because if I put it up here, it's covering code. If I put it down here, I'd rather have the stream go the opposite direction. I wonder if you can do that. Please go up descending. We gotta have help somewhere, right? Oh, that's gonna be confusing. Let's see. I've got a tab open with their help document, specifically this one to show how to change the CSS. I wonder if they have it here. Yeah, I'm wondering if this is it. But this one here, you know what we could do? We could do something sneaky. We could take this message item. Is this flex? Yes. Oh yeah, that's all we need. Right there. Put that in. Now the chat should come from the bottom. They're still coming from the top. Oh, okay. They're in reverse order. Let's see. This is the first one. Yeah, I want them to come up from the bottom, but I want them to be on the bottom. Maybe I don't want them to display like this, but either way, I want them to start from the bottom. How can we do that? I'm pretty sure because this is flex, we can just say flex end, but I'm looking for where you'd put that. No, is it something else I'm missing? Wait, this container's only this high. What if okay, there we go. Did I need the flex end? Yes, I did. Okay, here we go. Now we've got something to go with. Oops. Keep doing that. And we'll add it over here into OBS. Okay, now the chat's at the bottom. I don't know if I want it to refresh every time. I feel like when you refresh, you lose all of your stuff. Yeah, I want to see chat history. That's not going to happen. I wonder if I can just see if I want to test this again. This is not like Firefox. There's a little style thing up here. I wonder how we can just pop these styles in without putting a style tag. There's a way. I think if I click here, and just at the bottom here, add these and save. And it should override them, but it's not. How do you do this without Firefox? I don't know. That's a good question. What I could do is I just paste them in here. Let's see, where do I paste them? Do I have to create a new one and paste them? Is it going to work? It looks like it's not working. I want to be able to test this very easily. I'll try one more time. No, that doesn't work. You have to create a new one. And then over here, delete this. And then paste. But when I paste it as the title. That doesn't work either. But notice here, it says inspector style sheet. I wonder if I can just, yep, there we go. Okay, I got something going here. Now what I need to do is figure out how to get the stream. I can do a few things. I can change the size of it. I don't think it's, I'd rather have it a little bit thinner, but we don't want it to start from scratch. I wonder if Restream has some way of doing it with this chat here. Yeah, they're talking about how you can put it into OBS, which is what we're doing. Hey, custom CSS doesn't help me. I need like a query string or something in the chat window to tell it not to delete the chat every time. This is not helpful at all. chat Restream. Maybe it's going to show the text I'm looking for. This is not helping at all. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking for. I just want to figure out how to tell it, not just to have the stream come up from the bottom. If I do it again, test message, it's going to be weird because it's being pushed to all my chat clients. Okay, it shows it from the bottom, but it doesn't retain these. Basically, I don't want it to refresh. Okay, and then I swap to another view with it, and it's still there. Okay, that's good. It looks like it stays now. As long as you've loaded it once on the scene, it should stay there. And this is a good spot to put it. I don't think it's in a bad place. Maybe it might be in the future. But right now, this looks like a great place. So then people will chat. They can see it here. There's one other thing. You can tell the chat to be smaller. There are some settings in the chat. You go to Appearance, and it says Compact Mode. If I select Compact Mode, then it would be taking up less space, but maybe this is fine, especially because I don't have anybody looking at the stream right now. This is probably fine. Now I've got a Restream chat live. I've edited it, and I've done something for this channel. This is great. Cool. Anything else? Nothing I can think about. Okay, I'm going to end the stream there. If you had joined in, thanks for watching. If you want to comment, put something in the stream, that'd be great. I can use it for testing, but otherwise I'm going to probably end it here. See ya.